If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Oh, hi folks, Larry here. Milk call day, and nice and fresh, and here it is. Unexpected, but that's the whole different ball game, because when it's unexpected, you don't know what you're going to get. So it's like, what's in here? That's what it is. How's that? And wow, okay. Mr. Announcer, I'll give you the card while I take it from here, and you can read to all the groovy people out in Groovy Land what that card says, because it's going to tell them what's inside the package. Me first. I want to look first. Oh my God. Okay. Let's look at the front. Okay. Wow.
Okay. And I'm sorry to you, sir, that I'm not going to get anywhere near the pronunciation of your name. Something like Iqbal Lodja Mehdi, a friend from Rosenberg, Texas, and he is affiliated with Gemini Writing Instruments in India.
Yes. So let's turn the other one over with, and it says...
It says, dun, 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 Magna Carta.
Here it is, folks, right here. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I am talking about. Aaron, back in the game. Magna Carta from India, baby. Here's what I'm talking about here right now. Hey, you want to see some action? You want to see some very serious stuff? Well, it don't get any more serious than Magna Carta, baby. So, wow, I'm just blown away. Thank you. Wow, to all. The ship has landed. All right, so let's shut up and get to opening. What do you think, Mr. Announcer?
Yes, let's see the pen.
I don't know why I put it back in the bag. Okay, here they are. That's all you're going to get. Okay, here we go. And of course, I'm just going to show you the pens, and then I'll do my homework, and we'll get your review soon. Wow. Ooh. Look at these beautiful pens. Look at these. Wow, stunning.
That's a rather large one.
Yep.
Actually, you're both large.
Yep. And I love large pens. It's no more bigger than, I don't think, the 149 or the King of Pens. Here's the 149. It's a little bit bigger than the 149. And the gold one is about the same size. Maybe the 149 is a tad bit taller. So, see, now you guys got me curious, because it's Mr. Announcer's fault.
It usually is.
So, now here's the Opus 88. That's, the Opus 88 is a little bit taller. And the Opus 88 and this pen are about the same size. Okay? Wow. Cool. Wow. I am just blown away. I wasn't expecting it, or I forgot. Wow, I just, wow, I'm just, I'm not, I don't have any words to say. It's just like wow, such beautiful, gorgeous pens. Wow. Well, folks, there you have it on Milk Call today. Some serious pen stuff right here. Now, let's just pretend this comes from Magna Carta from India all the way to, where in Texas was it?
Rosenberg.
Rosenberg, from right here, okay? And, of course, there it is. Believe it or not, I've had some people saying, whatever happened to Magna Carta? Well, here they are. Bam. So we have to get some serious reviews going on here. Magna Carta. And, hey, while I'm on it real quick, don't forget tomorrow, Tuesday, 6:30 p. It's going to be what, Mr. Announcer?
Zoom Pen Hangout with you and Tony.
Ta-da! And I believe Heron from Magna Carta is going to be on too. I believe that Frank from Federalist Pens and Paper is going to be on too. And tomorrow is when I'm going to announce the giveaway that I'm doing from Federalist Pens and Paper on how to enter and when it starts and all the good stuff and what the winner is going to win. It's going to be a bundle of good stuff. So, with that said, peace, love, be kind to a stranger, and please don't text and drive. Bye-bye.